This vehicle has been fitted with our Carrier Citimax 400. Citimax is a road-only operated refrigeration unit. It also comes with freezer specification gas as well as hot gas defrost. Also fitted to this vehicle is our lightweight kit insulation. This is lighter and more efficient than traditional fiberglass insulation. It also comes with LED lighting for great load area illumination. All our conversions are built in-house for better quality control. For more information on this and other conversions we have carried out, please contact us at our website listed below.